Good morning. Welcome to my rest house.
Just love me harder. Have no mercy on me. Just tell me louder.
Dati na kami. Garado bugat ko.
Ma, makeup ka. Tapos makeup. Finally, nakapapicture na po kami ng aking family because the last time we had a family photo in a studio was 5 years ago. Tapos ang payat ko na, kaya this is it mga guys.
Mga buena vista.
Wala man buhay kasi yung mga
Ay! Kaya ba ready lang na?
We are in Baguio! Kidding, we're in Davao. It looks like Baguio. We have pine trees and we just arrived and it's raining. How's that?
Gerald and I originally guide.
Hi, Gerald.
Okay, so to start with, on your left side, yung may yung nasa kulungan ko, that's the Philippine brown deer or the native deer. Ito lang isa. Here.
Hi,
Brown
dear.
Ayan, there in the right side, vegetable garden sa mga lettuce or lettuce. Lettuce.
Kapalagi ka.
Yes. Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Yeah. Okay, that's how you pronounce. Everybody say lettuce.
Lettuce.
Very good.
Yeah. Bongga ka dyan.
Ayan, so hydroponics po siya. Hydro means water. Water working system. Organic way of planting, so we're not using chemical sprays or pesticides.
This is the house in the 19 whatever. So they made a replica of Tinubdan, a tribute to richness of indigenous peoples, heritage and cultural diversity that characterize Mindanao. Native house sa Pilipinas. Ganda dito. Kumuha ng ganitong klaseng hacienda. Tapos, magpa-party kami. Natry ko nang tumira ng ganito. Bahay kubo ang tawag dyan. Tapos, eto naman yung overlooking. Ano, diba? Simple lang ang bahay, pero ang view, winner! 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 Picture muna daw sila. Beautiful! Time to go home. Reunion with my high school friends! Hello! May kilay pa si ate girl. Kilay is life. Diba? Kailan ka mag-abroad ulit? Don't press. Kailan ka mag-asawa? Bukas. Kailan ka magpapakasal? Kailan ka mag-aanak? Diba? Ang dami. Ikaw, kailan ka mag-stop? Stop ka na, girl. Wait lang sa tapos lang kilay niya. Happy birthday to me! At ito si Doreen, na Doreen po.
Hello.
From Mongkayo.
Happy birthday la.
Thank you.
Birthday na ha. Lahat pinapag-glow.
Video na ni.
Video ko. 1, 2, 3. Ay, mag-wish ang balik.
Hi guys! Hi! Let's eat. Anong kinakain mo?
Lejon.
Lechon. Wala yan sa UAE.
My favorite is pork.
Crispy. Uy, kamusta ang apretanda? Luto ko yan.
Sarap.
Charm.
Thank you.
Hey, kamusta ang spaghetti? Ay, hindi pala try yung spaghetti. Vlog ko, Te Ara. Ayan si Ate Ara. Ayan ang cake. Ayan ang visitors. Yung iba, ano. Vlog ko. They need attention. Ito yung ulam. Daki nilaw. Lechon, roasted. Kain muna ako guys. Tapos mamaya. Review. Ito yung cake.
Si Arian lagi.
The boring.